Today, we're diving into the Keywishbot Electronic Component Base Fun Kit Bundle, a comprehensive set designed for both Arduino and Raspberry Pi enthusiasts. This kit packs a punch with a variety of essential components, from resistors and capacitors to LEDs and potentiometers, all neatly organized in the box. One of the standout features is the inclusion of the Mega 2560 development board, offering ample processing power for your projects. Upon unboxing, I was impressed by the quality and quantity of components included. The breadboard and jumper cables make prototyping a breeze, allowing for quick and easy circuit building without the need for soldering. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into electronics or a seasoned maker seeking to expand your toolkit, this kit has something for everyone. One of the things I appreciated most about this kit is its versatility. With components compatible with both Arduino and Raspberry Pi, the possibilities for projects are virtually endless. From simple LED blink experiments to more complex sensor-based projects, this kit provides a solid foundation for exploration and learning. The included documentation and tutorials are also a nice touch, especially for those new to the world of electronics. Clear instructions and sample code help users get up and running quickly, reducing the learning curve and allowing for more time spent tinkering and experimenting. In terms of value for money, this kit delivers. Considering the breadth of components included, as well as the quality of the Mega 2560 development board, it's a worthy investment for any maker or hobbyist. Whether you're building robots, interactive art installations, or home automation projects, having a comprehensive set of components at your disposal is essential, and this kit fits the bill perfectly. Overall, I highly recommend the Keywishbot Electronic Component Base Fun Kit Bundle to anyone looking to kickstart their electronics journey or expand their existing toolkit. With its wide range of components, compatibility with popular development platforms, and educational resources, it's a must-have for makers of all skill levels. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.